Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Mrozinski Family Homestead. So today we are going to be pulling some weeds in the garden. I'm going to cut the grass in the garden. What the mower will fit between, and more than likely it's just this center run right here. And we're just going to do some garden cleanup today. I'm super excited about it. I also have some corn to plant, some corn starts to plant, so we're going to plant those and just spend some time out here. Steven's not with us today. He is at work. I also have to finish cutting a little bit of grass over there on that side and around that big hill if I get a chance to. I'm not looking to cut the grass, looking forward to cutting the grass around that big pile of wood, but you know, it'll be all right. If it doesn't get cut, then we'll cut it another day. I did bring the gas can, so I do have plenty of gas. And so the girls are going to help me weed. Levi is in the car watching TV because he's watching the computer. But anyways, it's roughly 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe 7:45. So let's get to work. Y'all ready? Okay, so honestly, I did not know that the mower was actually going to fit down these rows, so I'm really glad about that. The only road that the mower did not fit down is that one over there on the end, that's fine. We did a little bit of work yesterday over there in that area, so I really don't need to go down that row. But my mower, once again, did a good job. So now we're just going to go through and we're going to pull some weeds. We're going to start in one area, and that's over there in the far corner, and go all the way around. I want to start getting this garden prepped for the fall garden. I am going to plant some stuff. I was kind of hesitant because, you know, I did not know whether I wanted to plant or not. I had my doubts, you know, am I going to be able to do it? Even with hunting season and the kids' school and everything else. So I am going to plant. It's not going to be a full-fledged own garden this fall, but it will be a garden that does produce a little bit of food. That sun's coming up. It's getting bright.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Alright guys, so all of the grass is cut. The garden is completely weeded. The girls helped me out a tremendous amount today. And we pulled through. We got it done. It's probably 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Actually, I don't know what time exactly it is. But we had a good time out here. We hung out. We got stuff done. And now we could just get back to sawing wood. Like all the other nitpicking stuff is done. So we're gonna get back to the house to where it's kind of cooler. The wind is blowing, but you know. So I just want to say, may God bless you like He has blessed us, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray